Hello, I'm Brian McDonald, Superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District. I want to give you a short update on how we're dealing with the coronavirus public health emergency in our district as we all do our part to honor the Safer at Home public health orders. PUSD is committed to providing the vital services that our students and community rely on, no matter how long it takes. As we work to contain the spread of the virus, we have extended the closure of our schools with a probable return date of May 5th. Until that time, all non-essential personnel must honor the Safer at Home public health orders. No one is allowed on school sites except for maintenance and operations and custodial staff and essential personnel as identified by the district during designated times. We will reopen schools based on recommendations from public health authorities to make sure that it is safe for students, staff, and families. This district will now move into stage 2 of remote learning, which begins after spring break. In this phase, teacher-provided content intended for ongoing use will be available via PowerSchool Learning. We are modifying content to make sure it's available by our students given the remote environment we're working in. For spring break, which is March 30th through April 3rd, we have developed virtual field trips with global and STEM themes. These are available on our website at pusd.us. From classroom teachers and school site staff to central office employees, we're all working hard to reinforce learning at home. I want to thank them for all that they're doing during this difficult time. We continue to provide nutritious grab-and-go meals for children 18 and younger at 7 school sites weekdays from 9 through 11 a.m. I'm pleased to share that we will continue this service during the upcoming spring break. The school locations are posted at pusd.us. I know how stressful this situation is for our students, parents, staff, and community, and I want to talk directly to the students of PUSD. I know that this time is not easy for you, and that you're probably missing the face-to-face time with your friends and teachers at school. Schools are the place where we connect with learning and with each other. I want you to know that even though you can't see your teachers or fellow students in person, we've set up ways to support you. Everyone here at PUSD is here to support you and keep preparing you for the future. We have help with mental health resources through PUSD's extensive mental health programs. To receive support, call our PUSD Family Hotline at 626-396-3680. It will connect you to the Child Welfare Attendance and Safety Office's social workers voicemail. After you leave a message, professionals will contact you and link you to the appropriate services and support. I am very proud of our PUSD team that is making every effort to support our students and families, including continuing to provide district central services. Please check our website at pusd.us for updates and new information as changes happen very quickly. Finally, please remember to follow the Safer at Home orders for social distancing and other guidance. All of us working together will get through this as we unite to keep our community healthy and safe. I can't wait for the day when we can see each other in person. Thank you, stay healthy, and stay safe.